Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a headlight bulb on a GMC Acadia. First, make sure you have your new bulbs and a flathead screwdriver ready. Open the hood of your vehicle and locate the headlight assembly. You will see two retaining pins at the top. Carefully remove these to begin the process. This initial step is crucial for accessing the bulb. Once the retaining pins are out, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It might feel a bit snug, but it will slide out. Next, disconnect the main electrical connector from the back of the housing. This usually involves pressing a small tab. Then, twist the specific bulb socket you need to replace counterclockwise to remove it from the assembly. Now, gently pull the old bulb straight out of its socket. Remember not to touch the glass of your new bulb, as oils from your skin can significantly reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Then, twist the bulb socket clockwise to lock it back into the headlight assembly. Reconnect the main electrical connector to the headlight assembly. Carefully slide the entire assembly back into its original slot, ensuring it aligns perfectly. Reinsert the two retaining pins you removed earlier to secure everything firmly in place. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight bulb to confirm it's working correctly. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.